everybody. Daniel Cooper just did a video where he made actual resin paper. So I wanted to just try a couple of different ideas that I have with this. I'm going to cut off that really hard end piece here. And here's the green UV resin paper. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half. And then I'll see what I'm going to do with these. Okay, so I am going to try this in my Cricut. I hope it's going to work. I don't know. But basically, I'm just going to stick it on here, see if it'll stick, and hopefully it'll come off when it's done. So I did this on the setting of Pearl Paper Default Cut on my Cricut Joy. And we'll see how it comes out. It seems so far to be working, but who knows, right? Alright, so let's see how this works. It did cut it. It'll just pop out here. It didn't cut it. I could have gone with a stronger cut maybe, but it seems like, yeah, it'll just, if I just pull it with my finger gently, it is coming away. So I don't know if you can even see this, but it is a little mini Christmas tree. So I'm going to just put that to the side and try and get the other one off. I think I'm going to cut the store off just because it doesn't look right. It's just got mangled. Okay, so we'll just make it a tree. And here. See. It might have been just a little too much detail for this material because it's like paper. It's like a rice paper almost. So I'm just gonna fill this one up about halfway. So now I'm gonna let this go for a minute, just on the top. My thought is, I'm gonna put this tree in. This was the green UV resin, so it should be a little variance in color, but I'm curious as to how's that gonna look. Should I brush it with mica first or not? I'm not going to. I'm gonna brush it after. Just gonna put it right on here and see. Straighten it up. Now I'll brush it with mica. I'm just gonna varnish on this right on top. All right, so now I'm gonna do another layer and then I will put on another color mica behind it. I can kind of see there's a tree there. We'll see. Maybe I should have done it differently. Let's try my Chameleon Flakes. I can just do this. Olive, that's good, because that's like a whitish green. So I'll just do that all the way on the back here. And the sides. And then I will finish filling this one up. Okay. Pop that out of there. All right. Looks interesting, but it's not what I was looking for. That's pretty cool though. All right. Next try. That's pretty though. Look at that. Definitely gave it an interesting look, but you can't tell it's a tree. I'm just gonna dust this and try and varnish those right in there. Oops, without ripping it, hopefully. Okay. And you know what? We'll do the other side too, just to make sure it's all covered. Huh? Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to cure that partially for a minute. I like it. I think it might make a nice little magnet. like, you know, for a holiday party or something. You can bring it as a little gift. I don't think I'd wear this as a necklace, but that's just me. That's pretty. Here are both of them together. I think they both came out nice. I think this one is better just because you can actually see that it's a tree in there. I guess if I backed it with black, it might be more prominent, but I'm not going to. I kind of like it this way. I mean, here it is, how it looks now with the black. It's not going to make that much of a difference, I don't think. This one, however, would make a difference because that's more sheer. I don't know. But there they are both together. I think they came out very cool. If you like this video, please like and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.